Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my skincare routine with you guys. I tend to use these products in the winter. They don't really work for me during the summer, so I wanted to share them with you guys. So if you guys want to see my updated winter skincare routine, please keep watching. I'm going to start by damping my face with a hand towel that I got from Burlington Coat Factory. It's a microfiber towel, so it's good for your skin. Then I'm going in with my Ceramedics Extra Cleanser. I'm going to use this on my spin brush by Vanity Planet. If you want to purchase it, you can use my code and get $75 off, you guys. I love this spin brush. As you know, I've been using it for years. If you follow my channel, it is my tried and true. And then I'm going in with a lip scrub. This is a homemade lip scrub. Someone made me a few years ago, but it's lasted this long. It's a sugar scrub. I use it in the winter time, and then I just wipe it off, and then I go in later with some moisturizer for my lips. So I'm just wiping everything off with this damp hand towel. As you can see, I was showing you guys. Then I'm going in with my Zoo Beauty exfoliating cleanser, and then I'm going to go in with my exfoliating brush. I did switch the brush on the handle here, so I like to go in and just exfoliate. I've been wearing a lot of makeup this week, so I really wanted to exfoliate today. I only exfoliate once a week with like an exfoliating scrub. I don't do it every day. And then I'm going in with these iMOVIE Gold Engineering Eye Recovery Masks. Such a long word. So basically, I guess they help rejuvenate underneath your eyes. I really like them. They do work, and they're really pretty. I got them from Amazon, if you guys are interested. And then I'm going in with my Shea Moisture Clay Mask. I love this mask. It gets really, really hard. I do have I believe I have a review on this on my channel, so if you guys are looking for that, I will try and link it down below. I think it's part of one of my Mask Monday videos. I usually do this mask if I go in and exfoliate, because my skin's going to be super dry after doing so much to it. So I go away for a sec, come back, remove these little eye masks, guys. I was gone for like 5 or 10 minutes, but obviously for y'all it was a second. I'm going to remove everything off my face, and then I'm going to add some Carmex to my lips. They just really help moisturize my lips after I exfoliate them. And then I'm going in with my Ceramedics moisturizer, and the one in the jar, because it's super moisturizing. I also have the body lotion as well. I love them all. So I'm going to apply this all over my face. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This concludes my skincare routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.